Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove color from images in Canva. This is a useful skill if you want cleaner visuals, stronger contrast, or a more consistent look across your Shopify store. Whether you need a clean grayscale look, a dramatic high contrast style, or a one-color monochrome, I'll walk you through a few simple methods so you can pick the one that fits your design best. Start by selecting the image on your canvas. This could be a product photo, lifestyle image, or background visual. Click Edit Photo, then open Adjust and look for the color section. Find Saturation and drag it all the way down to -100. This completely removes the color, leaving you with a straightforward grayscale image. It's quick, non-destructive, and great when you want the original tones without the distraction of color, such as for product mockups or minimalist banners. If you change your mind at any point, you can reset the adjustment to return to your original photo. Another option is to invert the colors. With the image selected, go to Edit Photo, open Adjust, then Color, and choose Invert. This flips every color value to its opposite, creating a striking negative effect. While it doesn't desaturate in the traditional sense, it removes the original color relationships and can be useful for bold, stylized designs, background textures, or when you want text and shapes to pop against a transformed background. If you prefer a ready-made look, head to Edit Photo and open Filters. Choose Mono for a classic grayscale with balanced midtones, or Noir if you want deeper blacks and stronger contrast for a more cinematic feel. These options work well for brand storytelling, hero sections, or editorial-style layouts. Filters are fast, consistent, and easy to apply across multiple images to keep your project cohesive, especially when you're designing multiple product pages or ads. For a polished monochrome result, try Duotone. Select the image, go to Edit Photo, then Effects, and choose Duotone. Pick any preset to start, then click into it and set both the highlight and shadow colors to the same color. White for a high-key look, black for a rich ink-like finish, or any single brand color if you want a unified tone across your store. Setting both to the same color removes color variance and produces a clean, single-color image that still preserves detail and depth, making it great for branded sections or featured collections. A couple of quick tips as you work. Make sure the image is selected so the Edit Photo controls appear, and remember that all of these edits are reversible. You can preview, compare, and reset as needed without affecting your original file. Try each method on the same image to see which result best matches your style and the mood of your design before committing. Before you go, if this video helped you improve your Canva designs or create cleaner visuals for your Shopify store, give it a like to support the channel. If you want more beginner-friendly Canva tutorials, design tips, and practical Shopify guidance you can actually use, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss future videos. If you have a question or want to see another Canva feature covered next, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.